Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your favorite girl, Blossom Chinwe, and on today's video I'm going to be sharing everything that I use on my face. I'll be sharing my face care routine, guys. Yes, so for someone with oily skin like me, my face tends to produce a lot of sebum, a lot of oil, and these oils can like clog my pores and lead to acne or breakout, and I wouldn't want that. So if you have an oily skin, you need to focus on ingredients that would help to reduce the amount of oil your skin produces. You need to look for ingredients that will help to unclog your pores. You need to look for ingredients that will help to make your other skincare products penetrate deep into your skin for people with oily skin. So that is what I'm going to be talking about in this video, and I'll be showing you my skincare routine, everything I use on my skin, how I use them, when I use them, and why I use them. So without further ado, let us dive right into this video. So the two ingredients that every oily skin girlie should have in their skincare routine are salicylic acid and niacinamide. So these two ingredients are perfect if you have oily skin. So guys, enough of the talk. Let me just show you how I incorporate these two ingredients in my skincare routine. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be talking about are my cleansers. I have 3 cleansers. I have a regular cleanser and 2 treatment cleansers. So let me show you the cleansers that I use. This is the first cleanser here. This is the simple refreshing facial wash. If you've been following my videos, you would know that I've been using this face wash for a very long time. It's been over a year now since I started using it, and this is like my regular everyday cleanser. This is mild, this is gentle, and this just does the job in terms of cleansing my face properly. The next cleansers I'm going to be showing you are 2 cleansers that I use as treatment products. Okay, so one is the Kojie San lightening soap and the other is the Retin A treatment soap. These are the soaps. Sorry, I don't have the packets here, but these are what the soap look like. This is the Kojie San lightening soap. I cut it into bits. If you want to know how to effectively use Kojie San lightening soap to get good results, I'm going to drop a link where you can just check out the video, because I've made a review about this Kojie San lightening soap. And this is the Retin A treatment soap. So this is how I store these 2 soaps. I use them for treatment. I use the Kojie San soap basically to brighten my skin. I use it 2 times every week, and this soap helps me not to go dark. Then for the Retin A soap, this is what the soap looks like. Some days that my skin might just decide to start acting up. Some days I might have breakouts or my skin might start to look rough. I just use that soap, and I noticed that whenever I use that soap, in 3 days my face becomes clear. I don't use these soaps together. I only use my Kojie San lightening soap twice a week. So for a whole month, I might not use the Retin A soap, because let's say my skin is good for that month, and maybe the next month my skin starts to act up. So the next thing I'm going to be sharing with you are my toners. So these are the 2 toners that I make use of. This is the Beauty Formula Brightening Vitamin C Facial Tonic, and this is the Clean and Clear Blackhead Cleanser with 2% salicylic acid. Now this is my everyday toner. I use this every day, morning and night. This is a brightening toner, while this is an exfoliating toner. It contains salicylic acid 2%, and I use this twice weekly. This is a cleanser, but I use it as a toner. I don't use these 2 together, so whenever I'm using this, I'm not using this. Okay, from what I said earlier, salicylic acid is really important if you have an oily skin. This will help to deep cleanse my skin. This helps to really cleanse my skin. Even after using my facial wash and I use this cleanser, I notice that there are still dirt on the cotton pad. So I use this with a cotton pad or a cotton wool, and I use this immediately after cleansing my face. I don't use this when I'm using my Kojie San soap or my Retin A soap. I use this when I'm only using my regular face wash, which is a simple face wash. So for this toner, I use this every day, morning and night. In days I don't use this. So this will help to brighten my skin, and this will help to exfoliate and unclog my pores. So the next step in my skincare routine is my serum. So these are the 2 serums I make use of. This is a balanced niacinamide blemish recovery serum with 15% active niacinamide. This is a very strong niacinamide, and this is the Good Molecule Daily Brightening Serum. So I use these two products every day, morning and night. I go in first with this my niacinamide serum, and this serum contains beta-arbutin and hyaluronic acid, and these are the two serums that I use. This helps to reduce the amount of oil that my skin produces and also brightens my skin, while this brightens and hydrates my skin. So the next step in my skincare routine is my moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer that I make use of. This is a simple hydrating light moisturizer. This moisturizer is just so perfect for my skin, and I've been using this for a very long time. If you have an oily skin, make sure you are using a very lightweight moisturizer. Don't use a thick moisturizer or a moisturizer that is going to be too heavy on your skin. Look for something lightweight and hydrating. So this is what I use. This is lightweight. It hydrates my skin without clogging my pores, and I love it so much. So the next step in my routine is sunscreen protection. So these are the two sunscreens that I make use of. This one finished like a few weeks ago, and I've been using this one ever since, and so far so good. This has been good. This gives me this shine, this glossy finish that I love. This also is very, very good. I got this like beginning of this year, and it's still remaining like a lot, and this is already finished, and this two they retail for around the same price. This comes in a very small tiny bottle, while this is big. So I think I'll be sticking to Vaseline. Oh, Skin Aqua, you've been amazing, but your price has gone up, so I'm sticking to this. I forgot to show you this should have come before my moisturizer, but anyway, this is the Mary and May eye cream. If people that know me know very well that I have like this visible dark eye circles, I've noticed that it has helped to brighten my eye area and just even out my eye area completely. And I don't have any dark eye circles right now because I've been using this. So guys, these are everything that I use on my face. I'm not gatekeeping. I literally showed you everything I use on my face, why I use them and how I use them. So guys, these products I just showed you, they are very much affordable. I think the most expensive here is my sunscreen, and you know that sunscreens are expensive, so that is just the most expensive. The other things are very much affordable, and they are doing their work very, very well. There are certain key ingredients that you need for your skin type, and if you incorporate those ingredients in your skincare routine, you are going to glove your skin. Focus on your skin type and focus on what you want to achieve. Okay, I wanted something that will brighten my skin and also help to control the oil production on my skin and just deal with the excess oil that I have on my skin. And those ingredients are salicylic acid and niacinamide. And I've also shown you how I incorporate these two ingredients in my skincare routine. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a very huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you've been watching my videos and you've not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, drop comments, share with me your thoughts in the comment section, and share this video to your family and friends. And until I see you on my next one, have a wonderful week. Bye.